Amazon crafting finds. Do you enjoy crafts and diamond painting? This diamond painting LED light pad kit is really good. It has 5D diamond painting accessories tools. Both kids and adults can use it for their crafts and their diamond paintings. The supplies include storage case, pens, stand, pad board, and much more. It comes with also this USB connector so you can switch on the light, and the light has 3 levels. All you need to do is like clip your thing and put this stand to put it on it to make it easier on you to start working on the board. Look at this stand, it's very nice and it's adjustable as well. Connect the USB from the top to switch it on, just like that. And it has 3 light settings. Those are all the accessories, and look at this clarity. It's really good and makes everything easier. So much difference between no light and light, right? This box you can put like little diamonds or little jewelry that you want to hang. These are the stickers, and this is a little tray where you put small items in it. This is the glue. Okay, this will help you pick up the little diamonds or the craft items. All you need to do is insert it into the pen and then start picking the diamonds. This set is very thorough and very useful. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching.